action.
Hello fellow silver stackers. This is actually my first unboxing. Got this from APMEX. So let's take a peek what we got inside. Okay. Invoice. Wow, look at that. This is a 10-ounce bar. I believe this is the company that bought Johnson Mathey, or Mathey, however you want to say it, tomato. Isn't that nice? I like to throw in there that I like to stack silver because it's shiny and fun, not because I am fearful that the dollar will ever collapse. Because remember guys, in that scenario, this will be your greatest currency. It'll just be stacking your silver for the guy who has more of these. So, I'm going to put this to my very small stack. Hopefully more to come. Got some gold here. Little Pamp Swiss. I'm going to put this one nicely in here. That's all I got. I'd say like and comment and subscribe, but I don't have a channel yet. So nice meeting you guys. Fun watching your videos.
Bye.